Every professional who has built a successful career has definitely made a mistake. And I'm sure that sometimes those mistakes could be grave. They could be mistakes that you think that you might lose your job or your career is over. Maybe that's where you are today. Perhaps you said something wrong in a meeting, or you missed an important deadline, or you made a poor decision, or maybe you even overlooked something that had serious consequences. If that's you, I want you to hear this. Your career is not over. It's far from being over. However, it is the way you respond to it over the next few days and weeks that will have a far greater impact than the mistake itself. My name is Onajevwe Akakabota, and as you know, I'm an award-winning HR executive with over 14 years of experience leading people and organizational strategy. Throughout my career, I have definitely seen professionals, a number of them, recover from major mistakes, career costly mistakes, and they're able to go on to do great and remarkable things in their lives and their professional careers. And I've also seen careers that have stalled because of mistakes that could have easily been recovered from. The difference, however, is not really the mistake itself. The difference is the response to it. And the first steps are simple, but I can assure you that they are not always so easy. Firstly, own it completely. I always say accountability. I sing it like a song. You need to be accountable for your mistakes. Don't minimize it. Don't make excuses for it. Don't look for someone else to share the blame. Don't transfer responsibilities. Take it, own it, take responsibility quickly and honestly. That's one thing that I have learned in HR, is that organizations are often willing to forgive. But when we struggle is when people refuse to take accountability. When they struggle is when people become dishonest, or they begin to blame shift, or they're trying to hide what happened. People may remember the mistakes, but they will remember your integrity even more, way more. The second step is to come with a solution. See, no one is perfect. No one is beyond mistakes. You own it, and then after owning it, you begin to think of a way to solve it, and you come up with a solution. So you're acknowledging the problem is important, but you're not stopping there. Then you are asking yourself, how do we fix this? What can I do immediately to reduce the impact? What can I put in place to prevent it from happening again? When you bring all these solutions, instead of just, apologizing and saying that I'm wrong, but when you bring in these solutions, people stop seeing you as the problem, and they start seeing you as someone who can be trusted to solve the problems. That alone is a very powerful shift, and it happens. The third step is to protect your professional reputation. After a mistake, as human, it's natural for us to feel embarrassed. You may want to withdraw, you may want to avoid conversations. Some of us keep putting our heads down. Don't do that. Don't. Keep showing up. There's a song I listen to, and the wording say, keep showing up. That's how success is built. Continue delivering quality work. Stay professional. Stay consistent. Let your actions speak louder than your mistakes. Your reputation was not built in one day, so trust me when I say that it cannot be destroyed in one day. People will only pay attention to patterns and not isolated moments. Finally, learn from what happened. Every significant mistake has something to teach you. You need to ask yourself this question: what went wrong? What could I have done differently? What process, skill, or judgments needs to improve? If you are able to answer those questions honestly, and then you're also able to apply the lessons, then the mistake has already started working in your favor. Some of the strongest professionals that I have worked with aren't the ones who never made mistakes. They are the ones who learned from them and they ended up not repeating them again. Remember this, please. A mistake is not a full stop. It is just a comma. It may pause your story, but it doesn't have to define it. So own it, fix it, keep what? Keep showing up. Learn from it, then move forward with confidence. Once again, my name is Onajevwe Akakabota, and if you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with someone who needs it. I'll see you in my next video.